All the way at least to the turn down there to keep your momentum up, and hold left when you get, hold right when you get right here.
Go to the right?
Yeah, hold right.
You gotta get up on that rock, these smooth rocks over here.
Okay.
You can try from there, come on up. Just put your right tire right here.
Come back just a little bit more, okay, bro? Come over here, we can see a little bit. Come over here.
Yep.
I want to take my seat off.
Sit on this rough right.
Smells like burnt rubber.
Slap your hands, bro. Gotta make it look good.
I think you got to know.